First problem, a triangle is formed by the lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 and px plus qy plus r equal to 0. Given that the triangle is not right angle triangle, then show that the straight line ax plus by plus c by ap plus pq is equals to lx plus my plus n by lp plus mq passes through the orthocenter of the triangle. So here given that one triangle is formed by the given line. So first I take one triangle here. This is the triangle which is formed by the given lines ax plus by plus c equal to 0, lx plus my plus n equal to 0 and px plus qy plus r equal to 0. When that one triangle is formed by the given lines. Now given that the triangle is not a right angle triangle, also given that it is not a right angle triangle, then show that the straight line ax plus by plus c by p plus pq is equals to lx plus my plus n by lp plus nq passes through the orthocenter of the triangle. We want to show that this is the line passing through the orthocenter. Means we want to show that this is the line passes through the orthocenter, means this is the altitude equation. So first I draw one altitude like that. Suppose this is the equation of AD. So this is AD. This is the line BC here. So AD is the clearly here AD is the altitude, means the orthocenter lies on this line. So orthocenter lies on the AD. Now what is the equation of AD here? First I take that this is L1 equal to 0, this is L2 equal to 0. Then what is the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0? The equation of this line is, the formula is L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. The line passing through the point of intersection of L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So what are L1 L2 here? These two lines. This is the equation of AD since it passes through the point of intersection of these two lines. So first we find the equation of altitude like that, and next already here we have that the equation of this line is px plus qy plus r equal to 0. But what is the relation between these two lines? AD is perpendicular to BC. So the lines are perpendicular, means we have the condition that m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. Now by applying that condition we have to find the value of lambda, then we will get the required answer. So that is the procedure. So first we find the altitude equation and applying the condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 to get the required answer. So first I take the given lines. So here given lines are, the first line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and we take that line as L1 equal to 0. So L1 equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And L2 is equals to Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. And the third line L3 is equals to Px plus Qy plus R equal to 0. Next first we find the equation of AD. What is equation of AD here? Equation of AD means this is the line passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. So equation of AD is the formula L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Now substituting L1 comma L2 values here. What is L1? Ax plus by plus c. So ax plus by plus c plus lambda into L2 value, this is L2, Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now taking the product here, now this is ax plus by plus c plus lambda into Lx plus lambda into my plus lambda into n is equal to 0. Now first taking x common here, so this is x into a plus lambda L plus taking y common here, then we get y into b plus lambda m. From these two terms taking y common, b plus lambda m plus what are the remaining values? C plus lambda n. C plus lambda n equal to 0. So this is the equation of AD. Now what is the slope of this line? Slope of AD is equals to minus a by b. This is the formula. Now what is a value? A is equal to this value, that is minus of a plus lambda L by b is equal to this value, b plus lambda m. This is slope value. And already here we have that equation of BC is px plus qy plus r equal to 0. This is the given data. Given that equation of BC is px plus qy plus r equal to 0. Now again we take the slope of this line. What is slope value? Slope of BC is equals to formula minus a by b, that is minus p by q, minus p by q. Now what is the relation between AD and BC? These two lines are perpendicular to each other, but AD is perpendicular to BC. That is slope of AD into slope of BC is equals to minus 1. Now substituting the slopes value, slope of AD, what is that value? Minus of a plus lambda L by b plus lambda m into slope of BC, what is that value? Minus p by q is equals to minus 1. That is a plus lambda L into p by minus of minus becomes plus. A plus lambda L into p by b plus lambda m into q equals to minus 1. Now taking the cross product, a plus lambda L into p is equals to minus of b plus lambda m into q. So this is taking the product here, ap plus lambda lp is equals to minus bq minus lambda mq. Now we want the lambda value, so we write the values as lambda lp plus lambda mq is equals to, writing this value to this side becomes minus ap minus bq. Now taking lambda common here, then we get lambda into lp plus mq is equals to, taking minus common here, then minus of ap plus bq. Therefore, the value of lambda is equals to minus of ap plus bq by lp plus mq. Now we substitute this lambda value in the equation, that is by replacing lambda value in the equation ax plus by plus c plus lambda into lx plus my plus n equal to 0. That is ax plus by plus c lambda. What is lambda value? Total this one, minus of ap plus bq by lp plus mq into lx plus my plus n equals to 0. That is ax plus by plus c is equals to ap plus bq by lp plus mq into lx plus my plus n. We change this equation as now ax plus by plus c whole by writing this value to this side, then it becomes ap plus bq is equals to lx plus my plus n by lp plus mq. But what is this? This is equation of AD. Equation of AD means altitude. Therefore, the orthocenter passes through this line. What is the meaning of altitude? That is, the line passes through the orthocenter. Therefore, the orthocenter lies on the line ax plus by plus c by ap plus bq is equals to lx plus my plus n by lp plus mq. That's all. This is the answer.